Want to learn how to turn your book into an ebook? Well, sis, grab your pen and paper because in this episode of the How to Write a Book and Make Money Online series, I'm going to teach you how to take your self-published book and turn it into an electronic book version. So what is an ebook, right? It's just an electronic version of your book. It's a digital download file that people can purchase to read your book. There are two different types of versions though. There's the ebook, that's the PDF that somebody downloads to their computer and goes to the file. And then there's the ebook that's on Kindle. So Kindle ebook, I'm not talking about that in this video. I'm just talking about the PDF file that somebody can download and read on their own computer. So the first step for turning your book into an ebook is to determine the size of the ebook you want to sell. Determine the size of the ebook you want to sell. My favorite size is 8 by 10, 8 inches by 10 inches. But because it's an ebook, you can do whatever you want. So decide what size you actually want your ebook to be. The second step for turning your book into an ebook is to create a template for your ebook based on that size. So you want to have a template first because it's going to make it so much faster to get your ebook done. So I just created an 8 by 10. You can use whatever software you want to for your ebook. So I've made ebooks in PowerPoint, in Keynote. I now use Adobe InDesign because I've been training myself on that software. Anything you want to do, you can make it in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, like there's whatever you want to do. You can use whatever software you want. Just create yourself a template. Third step for turning your book into an ebook is to go ahead and copy and paste all your book into the ebook template. So that's why you want to have the template first. It makes it so much faster. So now just set aside a day, copy, paste. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Build out your entire ebook and get it done. Hey sis, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Now, if you're enjoying this content, I want to invite you to join my Godlywood University monthly membership program. It's an awesome community where you're going to get access to hundreds of video tutorials that teach you how to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. You'll learn how to write books. You'll learn how to create courses. You'll learn about devotionals, prayer journals. You'll learn how to set up your sales funnels and build your business online. All of it is already recorded, already available. So as soon as you sign up, you are ready to dive in. It's $97 per month or $997 for the year. Go to the link in the description box or the link on screen to get started. The fourth step for turning your book into an ebook is to add a cover file and a back page to your ebook. So whatever size you chose for your template, that's going to be the size of your cover page. That's going to be the size of your back page. Now, I do recommend that your ebook cover match the physical copy of your book cover because you want somebody to know that there's two different versions that they can purchase, but it's the same information. So I always use the same exact design for both. And finally, once you've added those files, go ahead and save your ebook as a PDF file. That PDF file is what you're going to be selling to people in order to purchase your ebook. Now, if you want help doing this, creating your ebook from scratch, make sure you get into Godlywood University TV. It's my online monthly membership program where I teach women of Christ how to step into their purpose as faith-based authors. You're going to get access to hundreds of video resources teaching you how to get this stuff done, sis. You're going to get my Write Your Ebook Accelerator and the Product Creation Toolkit. You're going to learn how to create online courses, group coaching programs. Sis, in the Marketing and Traffic Toolkit, you're going to learn how to do my social media marketing strategies like TikTok, like YouTube, like Instagram Reels. There are hundreds of video resources on the platform to help you get this stuff done. So to get started, go to purposelegend.com/School of Business. Use discount code YouTube at checkout to get 50% off your first month on the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to the Godlywood YouTube channel to get more resources to help you on your author journey. God bless you, and Jesus willing, I'll see you in the next video.